How to create ombre and blush nails with just a fluffy brush. Believe it or not, you can achieve stunning ombre and blush nails using nothing more than a simple fluffy brush, even one from your eyeshadow kit. It all comes down to technique, how you pick up the powder, how you apply it, and the movement of your brush. Ombre nails create a gorgeous gradient effect, blending from one color or shade to another. Lightly dip the fluffy brush into the powder, avoid overloading it, less is more when aiming for a seamless blend. Hold your brush above the nail and gently flick the powder onto the wet base coat, starting at the free edge. Move the brush toward the cuticle area, gradually decreasing the intensity. Blush nails, on the other hand, are much simpler to master and perfect for beginners. Just like the blush you apply to your face, the goal is to create a soft, natural look on the nail. The blush nail mimics the soft, diffused pigmentation of facial blush. Instead of a gradient, you're aiming for a subtle, concentrated spot of color. Use your fluffy brush to lightly tap and spread the powder over the nail. Start with a small amount of powder and gradually build it up for the most natural, delicate effect. It's all about blending. Gently diffuse the powder so it fades seamlessly into the base, avoiding a solid, harsh patch of color. The key to a perfect blush nail is controlling the intensity of the pigment.